think. Too tall to be walking around all bent over. I don't have to be far enough for me. Hey Nick, what are you doing? You exploring the cave? Good job. Crypto, come here. Come here, Nichols. Come on, this is supposed to be funny. Run, run, run. Come here, Nick, help. Help, Daddy. I've fallen, I can't get up. Help, help me. Help me, help me. Crypto's a lot faster, just for the record. She's, are you gonna help me up? Are you gonna help me up? She's like, do you want me to carry you? Help me up. Oh. All right. Enough of this tomfoolery.